If you don't want to miss any of the videos uploaded by me, please follow these steps. In your cell phone, open YouTube and in the search box type Shekhar Maths. You will see my photograph in a circle and also a subscribe button. So touch the subscribe button and also touch the bell icon and select all. You will get instant notifications whenever I upload any of my video.
Welcome to Shekhar Maths. Today we are going to learn 6th class Mathematics 11th chapter Perimeter and Area exercise 11.1. Before going to do the exercise, let us learn the concept. Perimeter. It is a word which is made up of two Greek words, peri and metron, where peri means around, chuttu. Metron means measure, kolata. That means around measurement of an object or simply the length of the boundary of an object. That is a measurement of the length around the outside of a figure or shape. చుట్టుకొలత ఒక పటానికి లేదా ప్రదేశానికి వెలుపల చుట్టూ ఉన్న కొలతనే చుట్టుకొలత అంటాము. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎ పెరిమీటర్. లెట్ us టేక్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. పొలం చుట్టుకొలత, పెరిమీటర్ ఆఫ్ ఎ ఫీల్డ్. ఇట్ కెన్ బి ఐడెంటిఫైడ్ బై ఇట్స్ ఫెన్సింగ్. పొలానికి వేసిన కంచె ద్వారా దాని యొక్క చుట్టుకొలతను మనము కనుగొంటాం. పెరిమీటర్ ఆఫ్ ఎ హౌస్, ద కాంపౌండ్ వాల్ డినోట్స్ ద పెరిమీటర్ ఆఫ్ ఎ హౌస్. సో హియర్ let us take the perimeter of a polygon. It is the sum of all the lengths of all sides. Example, let us take a triangle ABC. Then its perimeter is nothing but AB plus BC plus CA. Here all sides are equal. 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9 centimeters. Second, square perimeter is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, that is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 12 centimeters. Next, perimeter of a pentagon, AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EA, all sides are equal. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is equal to 15 centimeters. So, polygon perimeter is nothing but sum of all sides. Let us take exercise 11.1. Find the perimeter of the following figures. First figure, triangle XYZ. Perimeter is sum of all its sides XY plus YZ plus ZX. All sides are equal. 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 6 centimeters. It can be written as 3 into 2 centimeters, that is 3 into length of each side. Next, perimeter of second figure is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, which is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 12 centimeters. It can be written as 4 into 3 centimeters, that is 4 into length of each side. Next, perimeter of third figure is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, that is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 8 centimeters. That is can be written as 4 into 2 centimeters, that is equal to 4 into length of each side. Number 2. Measurements of two rectangular fields are 50 meters into 30 meters and 60 meters into 40 meters. Find their perimeters. Check whether the perimeters are 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Solution. Take a rectangular field ABCD. Now length is 50 meters and breadth is 30 meters. So length L is AB is equal to CD is equal to 50 meters and breadth B is equal to BC is equal to AD is equal to 30 meters. Now its perimeter is nothing but sum of all its sides, that is P is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Here AB is nothing but L, BC is nothing but small b, CD L and DA B. So P is equal to L plus L 2L, B plus B 2B. So this is the formula. So now perimeter P is equal to 2 into L is nothing but 50 plus 2 into B means 2 into 30, that is 100 meters plus 60 meters, that is 160 meters is the perimeter. Now second, take the rectangular field ABCD. Now length is 60 meters, breadth is 40 meters. So length L is equal to AB is equal to CD is equal to 60 meters. Breadth B is equal to small b is equal to BC is equal to AD is equal to 40 meters. Now perimeter is nothing but P is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA Here AB is length L plus BC means B, CD means L and DA means B. So L plus L is 2L, B plus B means 2B. So perimeter P is equal to 2 into L is 60. 2 into 60 plus 2 into 40. 2 into 60 is 120 plus 80, that is 200 meters. Now 3. Find the perimeter of A, an equilateral triangle whose side is 3.5 centimeters. Observe the word equi means equal, lateral means sides. So we have to take a triangle in which all sides are equal. So solution, take a triangle ABC, all sides equal. So put small a, that is length of the side. In triangle ABC, let AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to small a centimeters. Then perimeter P is sum of all its sides, that is AB plus BC plus CA, that is A plus A plus A. So perimeter P is equal to 3A. Given side A is equal to 3.5 centimeters. So perimeter P is equal to 3 into 3.5. That is 3 into 3.0 plus 0.5. That is 3 into 3.0 is 9.0. 3 into 0.5 is 1.5. So 9 plus 1.5 is 10.5 centimeters. Now find the perimeter of a square whose side is 4.8 centimeters. Observe the word square. Square means a quadrilateral of equal sides. Solution B. Let us take a square, that is 4 sides, polygon A, B, C, D. All sides are equal. Let put as a side as small a. So in square ABCD, let AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA is equal to small a centimeters. Perimeter P is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. That is A plus A plus A plus A is 4A. P is equal to 4A is the perimeter. Given the side A is 4.8 centimeters. So perimeter P is equal to 4 into 4.8. That is 4 into 4.0 plus 0.8. 4 into 4.0 is 16.0 plus 4 into 0.8 is 3.2. So 16.0 plus 3.2 is nothing but 19.2 centimeters is the perimeter of the square. Fourth problem. Length and breadth of top of one table is 160 centimeters and 90 centimeters respectively. Find how much length of beading is required for each table. Solution. Take the picture of a table with a steel beading. Steel beading, see the arrow mark. Table చుట్టూ అంచు ఒక స్టీల్ బీడింగ్ వేశారు, దట్ డినోట్స్ ఇట్స్ పెరిమీటర్. సో లెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ ది టేబుల్ is L is equal to 160 centimeters. Breadth of the table is B is equal to 90 centimeters. Now length of the beading is nothing but perimeter of the table, which is in the shape of a rectangle. So P is equal to 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into L means 160 plus B means 90. So 2 into 250, that is 500 centimeters. Number 5. Manasa has 24 centimeters of metallic wire with her. She wanted to make some polygons with equal sides, whose sides are integral without milling into pieces values. Find how many such polygons she can make with the length of 24 centimeters metallic wire. Solution. Observe the word without milling into pieces values means Manasa don't want to cut the metallic wire into pieces. So total metallic length of the wire is, its perimeter is 24 centimeters. Generally polygons have sides greater than or equal to 4. So 24 can be written as in two ways, 4 into 6 and 6 into 4. If 4 is taken, that is 4 sides is quadrilateral, each has 6 centimeters. Or 6 into 4, 6 sides is a hexagon, each have 4 centimeters. That is both have 24 centimeters length. Here observe the word integral. Integral means integer values of each side. So we are taking 6 centimeters, 4 centimeters are the integers values. So number of polygons she can make is only 1. She can make either quadrilateral or hexagon. Now sixth problem. Find the perimeter of the following figures 1 and 2. Solution. Figure 1. Put the vertices AB, CD, EF, GH, IJ, KL. Now join EG with a line. Observe that FEGH is a square. So all sides are equal. If FH is 1 centimeter, then EF and GH also becomes 1 centimeter. And now put the letter M and join MF. Observe that MCEF is also a square. That means all sides are equal. So if EF is 1 centimeter, CE also becomes 1 centimeter. Now put N and join HN. Observe that HGIN is a square. All sides are equal. Since GH is 1 centimeter, GI also becomes 1 centimeter. Now the perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but sum of all the sides. That is AB plus BD plus DC plus CE plus EF plus FH plus HG plus GI plus IJ plus JL plus LK plus KA. That is equal to 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5. That is equal to 22 centimeters. Now perimeter of the second figure. Solution: put the vertices A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Join DM parallel to AB. Observe that ADMB is a square. So all sides are equal. So AD is also equal to 1 centimeter. Now join EG. FEGH is also a square. So EFGH is 1 centimeter. Now join JN. JKLN is a square. So JK is also equal to 1 centimeter. Now perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but sum of all the sides. That is starting from B, right hand side to left hand side BA, below AD plus DC plus CE plus EF plus FH plus HG plus GI plus IJ plus JK plus KL plus LB. So that is 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5. That is 18 centimeters. Now number 7. Statement P. So many rectangles exist with the same perimeter. Statement Q. So many squares exist with the same perimeter. Which option is correct? P is correct and Q is wrong. The option is B. Because take rectangle and different values of its length and breadth and observe the perimeter 2 into L plus B. For suppose length is 10 and breadth is 1, perimeter is 2 into 10 plus 1 is, that is 2 into 11 is 22 centimeters. If length is 9, breadth is 2, then perimeter is 2 into 9 plus 2, that is 2 into 11 is equal to 22 centimeters. That is, we observe same perimeter for different values of length and breadth. Whereas for square, if side is A and perimeter is becomes 4A. That is, if side is 2 centimeters, then perimeter is 4 into 2 is 8 centimeters. If side is 3, perimeter is 4 into 3 is 12 centimeters. That is, we are observing different perimeters for different sides. So, the statement P is correct and statement Q is wrong.
Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe. Shaker Math.